My name's Ken Banks, I'm the founder of Kiwanja.net. I'm here because I've always been a huge fan of appropriate technologies, a huge fan of Schumacher's work and the appropriate technology movement. Since reading Small is Beautiful in the 1990s when I was at university, I've been applying it in my own work with mobile technology across the developing world, and for me this was the first opportunity I've actually had to share that work with the organisation that was actually responsible for creating and giving birth to the appropriate technology movement. So it's a huge honour to be here, and that's the main reason why I'm here. What I'd like to see changed is, I think we know largely what needs to be done in order to unlock and fix some of the problems that we see in technology for development, but there seems to be a real stumbling block and a real roadblock in actually implementing any of those solutions. And what I'm hoping that we can get from this event here is some kind of momentum or some kind of idea of how we can actually get the behaviour change that we need in international development to genuinely make a difference in the tech justice debate.
Hi, I'm James Cheery, a PhD student at the University of Edinburgh and also director of the Cheery Trust. I was delighted to be a part of today and yesterday's activities as is incredibly relevant to my research, as well as the activities of the Cheery Trust in recycling computers to be reused in classrooms in Africa. And I think I've taken a lot away from today in terms of what we've learned, how to engage with different systems and how to actually produce change. And I think that a lot of the things that we'll take away are those small little steps in involving the different actors who can actually hopefully go a long way to making that happen.
My name is Allison Steel and I work for EMS International, that's EMMS International. We are an Edinburgh-based charity. We deliver better healthcare services in resource-poor communities in Malawi, Nepal and India. I wanted to be part of this forum today to learn more about how technological innovation can be harnessed from a healthcare perspective, so how we can use it to better reach those who are living in very impoverished communities and absolutely just widen healthcare access to all. The change that I want to bring about as a result of attending today is just to learn more and be more vocal about the role that technology could play in our healthcare projects, because I think there's massive potential there and we could probably better harness it as well.
My name is Finn Weddle. I'm from the Permaculture Community Classroom here in Edinburgh. I came to this forum, I just saw it as a random link on Facebook actually, and I clicked on it and I thought that's exactly what I'm into, and technology is a very big question. Justice in technology is an even bigger question. How do we approach technology in a just way? And there's all sorts of technology. There's old technology and new technology, high tech, low tech, and they're all useful in their own way. But not everyone has access to them, and that's what I'm really passionate about, how we can all have access to this technology. And the change that I wanted to bring about from attending this forum or conference or whatever it was, what I really want to do is bring in the marginal and use the huge power that is in the diversity of our communities. I want to use the diversity of our communities to accelerate change and empower people to be more changeful and actionable and whatever.
I'm Matthias Huskin and I'm a director at iFixit Europe. Tech justice is a huge topic, and it's a little hard to wrap your head around it. So it's great to come to a place like this and to discuss multiple perspectives and learn about them. I also hope to have conversations with the great team from Practical Action, and maybe we can contribute something in the future for projects that are ongoing or planned. My hopes for achieving better technological justice, or more technological justice, means firstly to improve my thinking about what that actually might entail. and then hopefully helping to provide those kinds of technologies to everyone on this planet that empower people, that increase their independence, instead of technologies that enfeeble people, that lock them in, or that endanger the life of future generations.
My name is Dan Marsh, and I work for International Alert, a peacebuilding organisation working in 40 countries around the world. I wanted to be part of the forum here to understand just what tech justice really meant. It's really opened my eyes to some really interesting challenges in the industry that I'm directly involved in. I'm delivering technology. I'm really getting an understanding of how that technology is really best effective for the most amount of people that we can do, to try to be as inclusive as possible. It's really opened my eyes to perhaps even some of the ideas that I think are really good, but can actually marginalise people. So it's been a really good reflective point from that. In terms of change, and hopefully we're going to start to design our technology programs a little bit differently and work with other organisations who are in the same space, try to foster a bit more collaboration to stop us reinventing the wheel and deliver solutions that really help the most people we can.